Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the most exciting insights into rare and valuable currency that could be hiding right in your wallet. Today's episode is all about the incredible world of rare $1 bills, especially those featuring star notes like the one you're seeing on your screen. That little star at the end of the serial number. It's not just a decorative symbol, it's a potential ticket to big money in the collector's market. We'll take you through the history, what makes these star notes unique, why collectors chase them so passionately, and how the condition and serial number combinations can skyrocket the value of what may look like an ordinary dollar. Stay tuned. You could be holding a small fortune in your hands and not even know it. The $1 bill has a rich and fascinating history in the United States. It features the portrait of George Washington, the nation's first president, and its design has remained largely unchanged since 1963. However, one element that many people overlook is the serial number and what it can tell us about the note's origin and rarity. Star notes have a special history. They are printed by the Bureau of Engraving and Printing as replacements for misprinted or damaged notes. When an error occurs during production, rather than scrapping the entire batch, the defective note is replaced by one with a star at the end of its serial number. This helps keep the total number of printed notes consistent while identifying it as a substitute. Because fewer of these star notes exist compared to regular notes, they are automatically more rare and more desirable among collectors. Let's take a closer look at this specific note, a 2006 Series $1 Federal Reserve note with a green seal and a serial number starting with B from the New York Federal Reserve Bank, followed by 021655794 and ending with a star. What makes this note special? First and foremost, the star symbol at the end. This simple mark transforms an otherwise ordinary $1 bill into a collector's item. Low serial numbers, repeating numbers, or fancy numbers such as 000001 or 1234321 can multiply the note's value tremendously. While this note has a mid-range serial number, the fact that it's a star note means it's already in limited supply, and supply drives value. Also important is the printing run. Some star notes are printed in very limited quantities, only a few 100,000 or even fewer in some series. If your star note belongs to one of these short print runs, the demand can be exceptionally high. Rarity is everything in the collector's world. Star notes make up only a small percentage of all printed bills, and finding one in excellent or uncirculated condition is even more difficult. Factors such as folds, creases, discoloration, and edge wear can significantly reduce the value of any note. Collectors always look for notes in crisp, uncirculated condition known as CU or UNC with perfect edges, bright ink, and no signs of handling. What drives the value even higher is if the star note comes from a rare print run or is part of a known short series. The combination of low print quantity and pristine condition is the golden ticket in the currency collecting world. So how much is your $1 star note worth in today's action-packed collector's market? Prices vary widely based on serial number, condition, and print run rarity. For standard circulated star notes, collectors might pay anywhere from $54,000. But for high-grade, uncirculated examples, values can range from $78,000 or more, especially for hard-to-find star note series or blocks. And the demand is growing. With inflation rising and collectors looking for more stable, tangible investments, paper currency has become a hot market. Star notes in particular are seeing a surge in interest due to their easy-to-spot identifier and limited production. It's no longer just seasoned collectors who are chasing these notes. Even beginners are getting in on the action, often flipping finds for big profits online or at auction houses. If you're serious about entering the currency collecting world, especially when it comes to star notes, here are some golden tips. Always check the serial number of your bills before spending them. You'd be surprised how often rare notes slip through unnoticed. Learn to recognize star notes and understand the different Federal Reserve banks and series years. Not all star notes are created equal. Use online tools to check print runs for your note's specific series and block. Short print runs mean higher value. Keep your notes in protective sleeves to preserve their condition. A pristine note is always worth more. And finally, Don't forget to have your notes professionally graded if you think they may be rare. A certified grade can substantially boost a note's resale value and collector appeal. In conclusion, the world of star notes is an exciting and valuable space in modern numismatics. What may seem like an ordinary $1 bill could actually be a rare treasure, silently holding its worth in your pocket, wallet, or drawer. The note we explored today, a 2006 Series $1 star note from the New York Federal Reserve, is a perfect example of hidden value that's becoming more recognized by collectors around the world. With limited print runs, historical significance, and rising demand, star notes are truly a golden opportunity in the paper currency market. So the next time you get change back, take a closer look. You might just be holding a piece of American currency history that's worth far more than $1. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more rare currency insights, and let us know in the comments if you found any star notes in your collection. Until next time, keep hunting, keep collecting, and stay curious.